Good morning, dear student. In class 6, I had started the lesson North America. Okay, and I had discussed in my previous video about the formation of the continent, about Pangea, and about the continental drift theory, Alfred Wegener, and how the continent drifted and broke and formed the present this form of continent. Then we also discussed about how do we know that the continents drifted. Okay, so in this we discussed the first 3 points, and now I will continue. So, fourth point, there is a great similarity between the animals of India and Madagascar. Okay, so this India and Madagascar. Madagascar is a small island. Just I will show you where is Madagascar. This is the world map. This is Madagascar. This part. Okay, this island is called Madagascar, and this is India. Okay, this triangular piece. This is India, and this is Madagascar, separated by the Indian Ocean. You can see they are both are separated, but the it have been found that the animals that are found in Madagascar are similar to the animals that are found in India. So how can it be that there is similarity between the animals found in these two places when it is separated by ocean? Okay, so this also shows that maybe at one time Madagascar and India was joined. It was one part. Okay, and but slowly it drifted, and so the animals which were living in a single piece of land got separated from each other, and so the animals that are found in Madagascar are similar to that of Asia. Okay, so there is a great similarity between the animals of India and Madagascar, though the two land areas are now separated by 2,500 miles of oceans. Did you understand this? Okay. Then related to this is the theory of plate tectonics. Okay, seven plates are there, seven major plates are there, and minor plates are also there. And these tectonic plates, they float on the mantle, and because of this, uh, volcanoes or earthquake takes place also because of plate tectonic movement. So the theory of plate tectonic tell us how continent, oceans, basin, mountains and volcanoes have been formed. So plate tectonics tell us about the formation of mountains, about volcanoes, about the formation of continent, ocean basins have been formed and are constantly undergoing changes. Okay, so this is also one theory which support about the continents drift theory. Then the outer solid lithosphere of the earth is divided into unevenly shaped slabs of oceanic and continental crust called plates, which are in constant motion. So in a in our earth we have got three layers. One is the upper part, that is the crust, which is called the lithosphere. Below the lithosphere is the mantle, and in the center is the core. Okay, and so this lithosphere, they float on the mantle, and so because of that these plates drift. So the plates are driven by convection current surging up in the mantle due to tremendous heat generated in the mantle. Then the zone where two plates meet is called a plate boundary. So wherever the two plates, seven plates, seven major plates are there and minor plates also there. So wherever these two plates meet is called plate boundary. It is interesting fact that the boundaries of the plates are areas of intense activity. Wherever the plate means meet each other, that place over there, it is an area of intense activity. That is some or other like volcanic eruptions or what we call earthquake always takes place. This is where the plates collide or move apart, causing volcanoes, earthquake, and the building of mountains. So all these are features over there where these two plates meet. Like Pacific Ring of Fire. Pacific Ring of Fire is an area where plenty of earthquake takes place, because over there the plate meet, they collide. So where the plates move apart, the magma comes up to form either volcanic islands like Mawai or become a part of the sea floor where the plate collides. The crust fold up to become mountains like the Atlas mountain. Okay, so these are how this is how do we know that the continents drifted? Okay, so this is read these points, learn point 1, 2, 3, 4, very important points, and some points are given over here. You can write inside questions from these portions and write in your copy. Then in my next video I will be discussing about the 7 continents. Okay, so there are 7 continents in the world. This portion we will take up in my next video. Okay, till then, take care and be safe and study properly at your home. Okay, thank you.